We took an afternoon safari into Minneriya National Park and were astonished by the number of elephants we encountered. Here are a few highlights, including our favourite, a family which included two calves taking a mud bath for the cameras. They seemed happy to wander casually between the jeeps.
There's the edge of the jeep, you can see how close he is. We're going to get splattered if we're not careful. Hello.
Oh, baby.
Wow. Somewhere underneath there is a baby having a right old roll in the mud, and we're nearly getting splattered with it as well. Here he comes. Not sure what that noise was, it could have been an elephant fart.
I don't want to get wet.
Who are your friends, Maria? Say hello. Hello, Mr. Elephants. Well, we've seen a few elephants and now they almost seem to be coming to see us. bit scared for him. There's got to be a joke somewhere in why did the elephant cross the road? Thank goodness for that, he's got to cross safely. Oh, don't cross the road.
Where do you see?
Oh no. Take it easy.
Look at all the truck.
We're relieved to say that all the elephants made it across the road safely, but tragically 6 of these wonderful animals were killed in the area just a week after our visit when hit by a train whilst crossing a railway track. Really awful to hear. They're endangered in Sri Lanka and their numbers are declining due to loss of habitat. We really hope you've enjoyed seeing these amazing animals in the wild. Please subscribe to our channel for more wildlife close encounters.